Hello children, you have come to third standard now. I am your class teacher. You know my name? My name is Narcis. How many of you know? Hello, let us do now this poetry. First poetry. What is the poetry name? A Pretty Game. You all like to play games na? This is about one game also it's given. It's poetry. Let us learn this poem. I am reading the poem. Just listen. The sun and the rain is fickle weather, were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Let us explain to you the sun. Everybody know what is sun and what is rain. All of you know, is it not? Sun means, sabko मालूम है sun, what is sun, and rain, barish, is fickle weather. What is fickle? You don't know what is the meaning of fickle. It is a new word over here. That something changes very quickly. Immediately it will change. That is fickle. Fickle weather. The weather changes. Sometimes you can see it's very sunny and sometimes very cloudy. Very cloudy you can see. We're playing hide and seek together. How many of you know to play that hide and seek? Hide and seek, lapa chupi खेलते ना, that hide and seek. We will, you all play na. You must have played in the vacation, is it not? Hide and seek, lapa chupi को English में hide and seek we say. And each in turn would try to chase. You know what is chase? You will run behind the other to catch. एक दूसरे को पकड़ने के लिए भागते, वही चेस बोलते. एक को पकड़ने के लिए रन आफ्टर somebody to catch the person. एक के पीछे भागते पकड़ने के लिए. That is chase. The other from his hiding place. दूसरा वो छुपा जगह में रहता है. At last they met to say goodbye. Like this sun and rain, they are playing hide and seek. That is the poet described in this poem. How you play hide and seek, how you play lapa chupi. That way sun and rain are playing. Kabhi barish, kabhi dhoop. Sometimes rain, sometimes there is no rain. Very hot sun. This way they are playing hide and seek. Who and all playing? Sun and rain. At last they met to say goodbye. Who said goodbye? The sun said to rain goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. You know, this is also a new word, spanned. What is the meaning of span? Spanned, you know, spread from one end to the other. All of you have seen rainbow. You know what is rainbow? Rainbow is of 7 colors. All of you must be knowing. You must have seen last year and all. Rainbow. Rainbow देखेंगे. See, you must have enjoyed the colors also. There are 7 colors you can see. And spanned meaning what I told you. It spreads from one end to the other. This rainbow sky में ऐसा दिखता है. एक कोने से दूसरे कोने तक ऐसा राउंड लेके जाता है. उसको spanned बोला है. Now you know. This is the poem. Now you understood, all of you. Now new word spelling, you write and keep it. I will spell the word. I will say 2 times. Take your pencil and keep it ready. Ready? I will say the spelling. Fickle. Fickle. What you say? Fickle. 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 Now the other word. You know hide and seek, all of you. No, you write it down, but some of you know, some of you doesn't know. So you write and keep it. HIDE, hide. HIDE, hide. SEEK, seek. SEEK, seek. Now the other new word, chase. C-H-A-S-E, chase. C-H-A-S-E, chase. Yes, all of you finished? Now other word, new word, all of you know rainbow, but still you write it down. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. Now spanned, new word, spanned. It spreads from one end to the other end. Spanned का meaning क्या है? It spreads one end to the other end. Rainbow ऐसे ही spread होती है ना, इसलिए it spanned in the sky. S-P-A-N-N-E-D. S-P-A-N-N-E-D, spanned. Again I am telling you the new words of the meaning. Fickle. What is the meaning of fickle? Something that changes quickly. फटाक से change होता है. That is fickle. Now chase. Run after somebody to catch a person. एक को पकड़ने के लिए उसके पीछे भागना. Chase. C-H-A-S-E. Chase. Spanned. Spread from one end to the other end. This is the poem. What is the poem name? Poem name, a pretty game. This you know, you must be playing other games also. In the next time, tomorrow I will ask you, write and keep it. This is your homework like. You have to name 5 games, whichever game you play. This is one game, hide and seek, like this. How many games you play? You can at least you have to write 3 games name. Now that rainbows, I told you 7 colors are there. You have to write all the 7 colors. Whichever colors are there, you can see violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. All of you know this rainbow's color, 7 colors. You will write and keep it. Tomorrow I will check. Now one more this thing, and you will draw rainbow also in the sky. Draw that picture also. Keep it ready. This is your homework. You will finish it off at home, and tomorrow you will bring it to the class. Okay? Chalo, bye. Goodbye.